Oh, hey. Well, welcome back to Backyard Cars. And today we're gonna fix the turn signal. I mean, we could buy one, and then we'd have to buy all the screws and then the chrome trim piece. Well, there's no other chrome, so we're gonna fix this. Like always, go get your popcorn. Let's get to it. All right. Well, obviously we don't like this. This sticks out like a sore thumb, and it's $100 for the factory amber turn signal. And then you got to get the clips and the screws to hold it in, and then it's ugly because there's supposed to be a chrome piece that goes over this, and our Monte Carlo is the base model, no chrome, no, very few pieces. So I'm gonna do the right thing, and I'm gonna cut this all up, and I'm gonna buy the cheapest turn signal indicator thing I can, and I'm gonna cut a hole in this, and then we're gonna continue with the theme, and we're gonna top rivet, a piece of tin to the side here so we can cover up the whole mess and put this fancy turn signal in there. Yeah, these are homemade brackets. I cut them out with my tin snips. But the goal is to get this to sit back in here. And it might work. I don't really know. Look at that. That's pretty nifty though. It's arrows. I know. I splurged. It was $9 for the pair. And they say USDOT on them, but clearly made in China. So I'm sorry. But we can't, if we mount it on the outside, it's real ugly. I mean, that's upside down, but that's ugly. So we took our tin snips and we crudely cut this out and got the light to fit behind it. So let's put it on here just to kind of show you. It's gonna sit, we hit it a little bit. I don't know. I guess let me get a cutting tool out. Not even an airport around here. Let me get a cutting tool out and go to chopping on this. I was gonna use the plasma cutter, but I've talked myself out of that because it takes 20 minutes to pull it out. All right, cutting tools. Start like right here. Was I shooting sparks at you? Because they were hitting my legs. It was hurting a little bit, is all I'm saying. Okay. So I notched that out. I think that's all I needed was that little bit. That's going to get a bit reckless if I continue with that. Get a Is it at an angle right here, maybe? Possibly. I know this is the wrong stone, but it's the only one I got. And I gotta kind of get in here and round this out a little bit, clean it up. So we're gonna do that real quick, and then we're gonna fit that light. That actually really worked pretty good. Let's see. Will the light fit? That's the question. Oh, it looks like it does. Okay. We're gonna have to redo these little brackets if they're not gonna match there. We've got plenty of room up here. Okay. Here's this. Let's see what it's gonna look like. I need to take out a little bit more right over here. Give myself a little bit of wiggle room. Alright, now we gotta get these brackets to get this mounted up in here. All the way to the front and down, right? Fits right. Something like that. So this back one could probably just punch through one. Yeah, we're pop riveting it, so that's where we're at. Pop rivets. Alright, so I gotta get my tin snips out and do a little tin snipping to see if we can get this to fit exactly how we want it to. I guess. Well, it's rained on and off, and in between the rain, I got the turn signal actually mounted in there. Cut some little brackets and pop rivet them in from the inside, and you can screw the light to those brackets. So if the light ever goes bad, I can, rainforest warehouse me another one and unscrew 2 screws, take it out, that whole deal. And then I painted, our brackets, our patch panel things, our decorative panels. And I don't know what happened. I did the same thing I did to the other ones. And I didn't show you this because I just showed you it on the other episode. But somehow, I don't know if you can see that in here, I had a bad chemical reaction and it cracked all of the black paint underneath. And, well, I said, it's good enough for the car that it's going on, You if this looks shiny and new, it's going to stick out like a sore thumb. So now it looks like it's been there. Or it was done just as shady as the first guy. I don't know. But anyhow, my light works and the arrows are going the right direction. So let's start plugging in our top rivets and see how the light line, or the thing lines up. See if we can get some of these in. Because, you know, the holes never line up. You can stick these things in here and pop two of them, and then next thing you know, none of the rest of the holes line up. See? If this is not going to line up here, something ain't right. That don't look like it's lining up over here. Alright. It don't matter if you pre-drill them, apparently. Nothing ever lines back up how you originally set it. Probably need to speed this up. I'm not going to beat this rain. I can feel it already. It's going to get me. Just a hair off on a lot of these holes. Oh man, can you hear it? One more. That one actually looks like it's going to line up. I just spoke too soon. Pretty jazzy, huh? I don't know. What do you think? I gotta go get the keys, unwrap it, you know. I'm picking up all these pieces so I don't get them in my new tires. All my mess picked up here from everything. I got them wired already, mounted, covered. I mean, it don't look bad. Come on, it looks better than the hole that was there. I mean, right? And I got arrow turn signal kabobbers. Alright, here comes the rain. I got that done right on time. Let's pick all this junk up. And then I'm going to get the keys and I'm going to flip the switch. And we're going to see them flash. Yay! Flashing lights! And there you have it. Our custom blinker. Huh? Pretty jazzy. The alternators, or the battery's down a little low, so I had to get it running. And now, no sooner did we get that done, here comes the rain. Boom. I'm gonna end it here. Appreciate you watching. Maybe go down there and do the thumb thing and ring the bell, subscribe, all that stuff, and come back and see us next time. Maybe I'm gonna do something in here to kind of clean this up a little bit. I don't know. Maybe we got the steering arm back on the Ford. It's about time we drive that. Alright, appreciate it. See you next time.